Sharif, the author of the chapter on how to measure the blood pressure. And to measure the blood pressure, actually, we need, of course, we need our stethoscope, and we need the sphygmomanometer, which has got the pump and the valve to control the pressure, and we have the cuff, of course, attached to the tubes. So first of all, we have to make sure the patient is relaxed and comfortable, and he's not agitated, and he's quite comfortable. And then we will place the cuff around the upper arm. Thank you. Just 1 inch above the elbow point, and we secure the cuff, and to make sure that it is not too tight nor too light, not too tight, not too loose, and by placing 2 fingers at the upper edge of the cuff. Once this is being secured, the next step is to start placing our bell of our stethoscope just medial to the biceps tendon at the brachial area, and then I would locate my brachial pulse, and then put my stethoscope on, and then I will start to inflate the pump using the valve gradually, of course after releasing the device. Move the valve up and start to inflate. At the same time, I can measure the radial pulse until it disappears, which is the systolic pressure. So when the sounds disappear, I start to release my valve gradually. The first sound should be the systolic pressure here, and you can see here now the recording is reduced until the sound disappears, which is the diastolic pressure, which responds to 80, and then I continue releasing my valve. So the blood pressure in this patient is 120 for the systolic by 90 for the diastolic, and then I have to ensure that the stethoscope is released and the mercurial column return back to the reservoir, and then I reattach the cuff, and your blood pressure is 120 or 80, and that's it really. Thank you very much.